Frothy chai tea latte recipe. Chai or chai tea is a popular drink in India where this delicious hot beverage is often made by boiling tea leaves with milk and adding sugar and spices. My chai tea recipe is a bit of a twist because instead of whole cow's milk, we're using coconut milk, instead of refined white sugar, we're using honey or maple syrup, and instead of including tea, we're keeping this chai caffeine-free, yet ready for the addition of tea if you'd like. Traditionally, chai includes black tea. This chai tea recipe is so tasty. Rather than being filled with toxic chemicals and artificial sweeteners and flavors, this drink is loaded with chai tea benefits thanks to its antioxidants, real spices and zero refined sugars. It's easy to make and extremely delicious. So, go on, give this hot, creamy, fragrant beverage a try. What is chai? Chai tea, chai latte, chai tea latte, no matter what you call it, chai is a popular beverage these days. Tea lattes are a variation on cafe lattes. Like cafe lattes, they are typically made with steamed milk, but instead of including coffee or espresso, a tea latte is made with tea. However, this chai tea latte recipe is caffeine-free, so you don't have to worry at all about an unpleasant caffeine overdose. So what is chai? Chai is the Hindi word for tea, which was derived from cha, which is the Chinese word for tea. So what is chai tea? It's essentially tea that is made customarily in India, where it's commonly called masala chai. The spices that go into chai can vary from region to region or even household to household, just like garam masala. Some of the spices most commonly included in a chai include cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, cloves and black peppercorn. 1. So wait, does chai tea have caffeine? How much caffeine does chai tea have? Chai tea only has caffeine if a caffeine source is included in its making. Typically, it does include caffeinated black tea, but it doesn't have to. As I said, this chai recipe is completely free of caffeine, which makes it a great choice for kids as well as adults. Chai tea nutrition facts. 1 serving of this chai tea recipe contains about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 156 calories. 3 grams protein. 12 grams fat. 15 grams carbohydrates. 1 gram fiber. 11.2 grams sugar. 12 milligrams sodium. 1.9 milligrams iron, 11% DV. 193 milligrams potassium, 5.5% DV. 7 milligrams magnesium, 2% DV. The benefits of chai tea comes from its many health-boosting ingredients. For example, all of the spices are loaded with antioxidants, which are known to play an important role in the prevention of so many chronic diseases. 11. Want to know more about chai tea benefits? Check out my previous article, Is Chai Tea Good for You? Chai tea benefits and recipes. How to make this chai tea recipe. How to make chai tea is really quick and simple. Basically, all you have to do is heat up the milk and then combine all of the ingredients in a blender. The same goes for chai lattes that include black tea. Simply steep the tea and add to the blender. The first step in this recipe is to put the coconut milk into a small pot and warm it up over medium heat. Add the warmed coconut milk to a high-powered blender. Add the honey or maple syrup. Add the date and spices to the blender. Blend on high until well combined. Pour and enjoy. Your chai is complete.